Okay, so you just go around breaking hearts just to see what is inside.
I love you. How much? Okay, so shit, I almost fell. Right now we are, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. It's January 1st officially. And today starts 21-day countdown of my launch for my YouTube channel. And I still have to make a video to tell everybody about that today.
Yeah.
Because today's the day.
Today is the day.
Today is the day. I'm so excited.
Oh, somebody.
We're gonna go get some tacos. Oh, someone spent their New Year's Eve a way they will regret later in life. I ain't about all that. Throwing up and stuff. What do we have? 2 glasses of wine last night?
Yep.
Dessert and...
Let's try to leave us a little bit of champagne.
Oh yeah, we toasted. Alright, well we're in the car right now, but I will get back to you guys as soon as we reach our destination.
Walking around with my head down, but I can't hide with these high heels on. Downtown in a thick crowd, but it's just you that my mind is on. Dressed up, got my heart messed up. You got yours and I got mine.
We're not going to Taco Go-Go anymore because they closed. I just need some coffee because you guys know I normally have had 2 cups by now. It is 3 o'clock
Starbucks
in the afternoon. And I love coffee. I love coffee. If someone gives me coffee, it makes my day.
Which I make sure to bring you coffee every day. Except today for some reason. I don't know why.
Did you give me coffee yesterday? Yes.
Yes.
Well, every day you can't give me coffee.
I do my best to make sure it's every day.
You do your best. You do a good job, actually.
Thank you.
Except today you slacked a little bit, but it's okay.
I didn't slack.
You didn't slack because you're gonna get me some coffee. It just wasn't in the morning, but we didn't really. We did wake up in the morning?
I did sleep in today for the first time.
Yeah, I'm glad
I
that
slept
you did
until
that.
11, which I never do that. I'm usually up at 4 a.m. If I have a day off, I get up at 6 a.m. or 7.
Oh, there's a Starbucks
I see
right
it,
there.
I know, but this poop head.
Oh, that guy won't let you get
This
get
poop
over.
head.
You gotta put your blinker on.
I
too.
know I was about to, but
You know what? I'm not gonna tell you how to drive because you know how to drive, so
I know
don't
how to
even listen to me.
we're still
I'm gonna
alive.
shut up. Women always do that shit. They be telling people how to drive. Right?
I'm pretty good at driving. I think so.
Let's get coffee. This man needs some coffee too. He's trying to put some more weight on my body because we went from tacos to pizza real quick.
Nothing's
0
like-
to 100 real quick.
Nothing's open.
So it's New Year's. Not a lot of things are open today. Pizza it is, my friends. Pizza it is. We're at Star Pizza. Oh, you know what I always do? I always jack my legs on things. As a child, I used to go ham with this on all of my pizza. More Parmesan, please. More Parmesan.
It's unfair that I still care, and I wonder where you are tonight, thinking it could be different. But maybe we missed it, yeah, thinking it could be different.
I'm gonna have to order a Coke or Dr. Pepper or something to enjoy this pizza more.
We stopped to come and grab some ice cream. Houston, Texas.
Overnight.
show you guys him. He's so cute. Can I try any of them?
I'll take the cup with the white chocolate and brownie batter.
You're getting the white chocolate macadamia?
Yeah, the white chocolate macadamia and brownie batter.
I want to try the red velvet and I want to try the dark espresso. I don't know, if you look at the ones where a lot of them is missing, I bet those are probably the most ones.
There's the peanut butter.
I don't want to do peanut
There's the
butter.
vanilla wafers.
Yeah, the banana looks good actually. What's that?
There's chocolate and strawberry.
Can I try the dark espresso and the gingerbread? Wow. That was really good. Okay, I'm gonna do both the gingerbread and dark espresso.
In a cup?
Yes, please.